What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Twin Turbo LLC. Gurgles, man. The gurgles on the E30 mix are super aggressive. It's like a lopey cam. I have an idea today, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, I have this Lav Mic here, as you can see, taking the audio quality to a whole new level, because we're professional now, right? Let's start her up. I'm not gonna talk. This is pure exhaust of the MBRP. We got engine intakes, HKS plugs, and a JB4 tune will be in map 3. If you haven't been following the channel already, go ahead and subscribe because we do stuff like this all the time. So you're gonna ride shotgun with me today. So I have the Lav Mic here. What I'm gonna do is simulate you riding passenger. We're gonna wrap this Lav Mic around the headrest pole, and this will be right about where your ears are. So this should give you a great idea of what the exhaust sounds like inside the cabin. Yeah, should be pretty sick. To capture great exhaust notes in this car. So the MBRP, by far, to me, I've only heard the Borla, which is louder, and the MagnaFlow in person. And got a Camaro there pulling out, probably gonna fly up on me. The Kia Stinger comes from the factory is just unacceptable. One thing that I do love about Kia Motors is it's like they listen to their people. The 2022, you know, they made the exhaust louder. They're like, it comes with 3 more horsepower and there's an active valve, you know, button to make it louder. That's awesome. That's a great company for someone to do that. Any automotive company that listens to their people and gives them what they want, A+. Who's calling people when I'm trying to do a video? That's someone at work trying to call me on Teams out of all the times they call, but pulling like a champ, guys. Pulling like a champ. So anyway, DJI OM4, this is going to help with some production quality stuff. We're gonna try to get some B-roll. I wanna get a professional intro. Okay, so now I'm gonna come at you guys with a little bit of POV sort of angle here. I haven't done this angle yet. So microphone is right by my ear. So this should give you a good idea. That should give you the best representation of what the in-cabin sound is going to be like. Again, you're going to want to wear headphones for this video for it to be optimal. We're losing daylight. Exhaust note super well. It's a super deep tone for the most part. It's not raspy. I've never thought of this exhaust as being raspy whatsoever. That's why I went with it. It's also not the loudest exhaust, okay? So the Borla is probably gonna be the loudest. The MagnaFlow, right around the same. And of course, I haven't heard the ARC and the Jun B and those in person, but once you start adding mid pipes and down pipes, that's where the V6 tends to get a little raspy. So keep that in mind for sure. You know, but also with the down pipes, you're gonna hear the turbo on the cold start, the wind down, which is freaking sick. And I'm thinking I might do that. Thumbs up if you guys want to see some down pipes installed on twin turbo. So, all right, man, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, go ahead and watch the other ones and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.